Alright, you lot, my name is Boris and you're in my channel as usual. Today I'm talking with you about my tips and tricks with learning English, how I improve my English skills, and after more than 1 month, uh, I see what's working for me and what doesn't work for me. And first one, it's every day I'm talking with my AI assistant. It's a AI chatbot in Telegram, and it's a great tool, I think, from Skyen. Skyen, call me, and it's a really great tool because I have no a lot of opportunities for talking in my country, in my this position in my city, at my work, and it's difficult to looking for something native or maybe non-native speakers, and these people need want to talking with you in English, but it's a little problem because when you non-native speaker and second your friend or maybe your something else also non-native, and for example you both uh, speaking in Russian and it's yours native English. For yours, it will be really difficult to talking in a non-native language because one moment maybe early or maybe later, but one moment you start talking in your native English or in your native language because it's more simple for both of you. And this AI assistant, it's chatbot, audio chatbot in Telegram, and every day I spend something around 10 minutes my time, and I can change something theme, something topic, and I can change I can check and change um, roles, and this chatbot can be, for example, maybe something celebrity, or maybe it can be interview with you, and you talking in this conversation in audio messages, and this AI bot um, observe your messages and gave you answered and advices, and it's a great tool. It's my first tips and tricks in my way to improve my English skills. Second moment, it's for me it's really work. It's watch serials or TV in English without subtitles in Russian, or maybe subtitles in English. Uh, in the first one, I try to watching these serials with Russian subtitles in English, but it doesn't work because you only read your native language and not something else, and it's not working. But when you uh, check English subtitles with English native speakers in movie or in serials, it's a little work, it's a little helps for you because you have no opportunity to see translate in Russian, and you need to um, start your thinking in English, you need to own your brain, and it's difficult in the start of your way. But if you try something simple, I really like Friends, the Friends serial, and I really like How I Met Your Mom. It's also great serial for learning English. And also a third of them, it's classic, also classic, it's Scrubs. And next, third, my tool, it's writing. It's writing, sorry. I try to write my diary every day. I try to write my thoughts, my plans, my checklists to do with my work or without my work. It can be my um, home tasks, or it can be my hobbies, it can be my thoughts about my garage works, about motorcycles, something else, whatever. And it really helps for you to thinking deeper in your mind, and it's your skills in writing, it's growth your mind in English. It's really works, and but it's also difficult to start. It's also difficult. You need to train in your brain. You need to train in your discipline. It, but it this really works. And how I say, first it was my AI assistant. Second moment, it's serials. Third moment, it's writing. How I say before. Next moment, it's reading, reading books, reading topics, reading something. What do you need to learn in your work? Because when I try to read something books or something else in English, it's because I understand it's not my necessary in this moment. It's not my necessary for work, for something else. It's not works good for me. But when you need, for example, I try to do something with my motorcycles, or with my friends' motorcycles, and I have something problem, how to do something, and I need to fix something, and I don't understand, I don't know how it works, or how I need to do something with it, uh, and I need to looking for something answered in internet. And it's really work because you need this information in this moment, and if this information I don't have in Russian, it's only one way. I need to find this in English. I need to understand it and translate, or I need to see video, or maybe I need to find something posts, or maybe user's manual in English, and I need to read it, and it works. And five moment, it's these videos, because fifth moment, it's these videos, because I try to talking with you, and I can to see my previous videos, and after 1 week I try to see all my videos during this week, and Also, my teacher in English saw these videos, watched it, and she gave me some advices how to improve this moment, or this is your mistake in this moment, this phrase, or maybe it's this phrase not working in native speech, and something else. And also it's working for me. These five ways, these five tips and tricks really works for me. And yes, I understand I have a lot of mistakes in my speech, I have a lot of grammar problem, but it doesn't matter. I talking with you in English. It's not my native language, but here we are, and I talking with you. And I hope after 1 year I fixed all these my mistakes, and I will more flexible, and I will more professional. I will have more professional skill in English after 1 year, but not 1 year, because 1 month uh, after us, and we go ahead and forward. We have 11 months. Thank you for watching. I hope these advices can help for you to do something, to start doing your something, maybe with your hobby. And it doesn't matter, it can be no English skills, you can try to do something else, but you can, and you need only try to do it. And for example, my trying, it works, and I hope and I wish you success in your starts with your hobbies, with something else. You need only start. And thank you for watching today. Bye. See you tomorrow.